Your AI can score a perfect 100% in practice and still completely fail in the real world. That's not a bug. It's one of the most common mistakes in machine learning, and it's called overfitting. Here's the analogy. Imagine a student studying for an exam. Instead of understanding the material, they just memorize every answer from the practice tests, word for word. They ace the practice test, but the real exam has slightly different questions, and they're lost. That's exactly what overfitting is. The AI memorizes the training data instead of learning the actual pattern. It becomes great at recognizing examples it's already seen and terrible at anything new. So how do you catch it? You split your data into two sets. A training set, that's what the model learns from, and a test set, data the model has never seen before, used only to check how well it's actually learned. If your model gets 99% accuracy on the training set, but only 60% on the test set, you've got a problem. It memorized, it didn't learn. That gap, that's overfitting. This is one of the first things that every machine learning engineer watches for, and now you know what to look for too. If you've got AI questions, drop them in the comments. I'm working through the fundamentals one video at a time in our Zero to Hero series. I've been Daniel with Cadmus Lab, and thank you for tuning in.